Embrace the essence of modern living in the vibrant heart of Watertown Square with this exquisite condominium. Imagine a lifestyle where sleek, clean lines and quality finishes surround you, creating a serene and sophisticated ambiance. Step outside to a backyard designed for connection and community. Enjoy the common grill, picnic and fire pit area, perfect for fostering neighborly interactions and creating lasting memories. The 2017 updates to the kitchen and bathrooms add a touch of contemporary elegance, ensuring every corner of your home feels fresh and inviting. Sanctuary awaits in the expansive top-floor primary bedroom suite. Bathed in light with vaulted ceilings and a private balcony, this space offers a tranquil retreat from the urban hustle. Ample storage with organizational systems means everything is in its place, and it adds to a sense of calm and order. The finished walkout basement adapts effortlessly to your lifestyle needs, whether you're setting up a home gym, a playroom, or a creative workspace. 2 deeded parking spaces ensure you always have a spot waiting for you, making daily life a breeze. The prime location in the town center offers endless opportunities for recreation and leisure. Stroll along the Charles River Path, indulge in character-filled restaurants just around the corner, or spend a peaceful afternoon at the Watertown Library right across the street. Fresh produce and local delights await at the nearby farmers market in Saltonstall Park, and commuting is a breeze with convenient bus lines.